It actually represents Hindu cosmology. So, in this, please listen. In this sheet, Navagrahas are installed. In this 2D sheet, Navagrahas are installed with 3 colors. Varivadivu, Olivadivu, Kurivadivu. Means, in the form of mantra, in the form of figure, in the form of symbol. Varivadivu, Olivadivu, Kurivadivu. These are Trikalas. In the Trikala means is in the form of Navagrahas in the form of symbol and in the form, actual form, and in the mantra. 3 shapes they are installed, and each one of them are installed in one Garbha. Their life is installed in one Garbha. So 9 Garbhas are on the plate. Then this represents 11 dimension. This 3 layer length, breadth, depth dimension. Inside 9 Garbhas are kept representing 9 more dimension. The 11th space cannot be given in matter. It will be given to you as an initiation. So understand, this represents 9 Navagrahas and 11 dimensions. Sadashiva talks about it in Kamikagama, and Shastra Pramana we have, and Apta Pramana also we have. Tirumular, a great saint, he talks about it. Because in this the Trikala means the line form, visual form and mantra form. All 3 are there. It can be considered as deity and you can even do puja to it. In mandala, the visual form will never be there usually. But in the Navagraha mandala, it is written, the visual form has to be there. Because the visual form is there, now it is equivalent to a deity also. Not only a spiritual alchemy product, deity also. But you don't need to, there is no compulsion of maintenance. But if you want, you can worship. It is equivalent to an energy of a deity. It will nullify all the evil effects of grahas on you. And it will keep you very pleasant and complete with grahas. So naturally, they will not behave with you like a sadist. They will inform you, support you, and evolve you. See, I tell you, all the 9 grahas have been given a command by Sadashiva. Making every being experience Sadashivatva is their responsibility. Either by giving you right experience or wrong experience, they educate you to manifest Sadashivatva. Now, they will make it more easy for you. That's all. There will not be root shocks, surprises, collapsing, waste of time, all that. So it will keep you in the space of completion with grahas.